Ever see traders talking about options flow and wondered what it really means? Options flow is one of the most powerful tools traders use to spot big moves before they happen. In this video, I'll break down what options flow is, why it matters, and how you can use it to your advantage, in plain, beginner-friendly terms. Options flow refers to the real-time buying and selling activity in the options market. It shows which contracts traders are buying or selling, how much they're paying, and whether the trades are bullish or bearish. Think of it as a window into the market's smart money. Large institutions, hedge funds, and professional traders often place big bets in options, and if you track this flow, you can see where they're positioning before it affects the underlying stock price. One spot, big moves early. Unusual options activity can signal potential upcoming stock volatility. 2. Gauge market. Sentiment. Heavy call buying might show bullishness, while big put buying could signal fear. 3. Timing trades better. Knowing what smart money is doing helps you enter or exit trades more strategically. In short, options flow gives you a competitive edge by revealing where the market is likely headed before most traders notice. Options flow is most powerful when combined with technical analysis. Look for unusual activity around key support/resistance levels or high volume zones. Remember, not every large trade leads to a guaranteed move. It's a signal to watch rather than a prediction. So now you know what options flow is and why it matters in trading. If you want to stay ahead of the smart money, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com for daily AI-powered insights and trade ideas. Drop a comment below. Have you ever tracked options flow before? Did it help you catch a big move? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss actionable trading tips.